I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Pinterest is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into Pinterest. Start by opening the Pinterest app or website and logging into your account with your current email and password. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Update email address. In the Settings menu, find the Account Settings section. Here, you will see your current email address. Click on the Edit button next to it to change your email. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address and confirm it by entering it again if prompted. Make sure there are no typos, as this could prevent you from receiving important notifications. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Changing your email on Pinterest is a simple process, but always double-check your new email for accuracy. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Pinterest support. Happy painting!